So today's topic series is from a previous SAT exam paper, and it's basically about stem and leaf diagrams. So I'm given this diagram and I'm given a key which is 37 inches. So 37 means 37 inches. And like 50, it means 50 inches. 61, it means 61 inches, and so on. So the stem and leaf plot gives the height in inches of evergreens in a nursery. So the question is, what percent of the evergreens are over 55 inches tall? Now, I have 58 and 58, so I have two 58s. I have 60, so 60, which is 60. I have 61, 61. I have two 65s, so 65 and 65. So the number of evergreens that have a height more than 55 inches is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what are the total number of evergreens? So here I have, in the first row I have 2, which is 37 and 39. In the second row I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total number of evergreens is basically 20. So to find the percent or the percentage of the evergreens that have a height more than 55 inches tall is 6 over the total number of evergreens, which is 20, times 100, and the answer is 30%.